Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make a very famous Bengali dish. Let's see how to make Misti Doi. To make this, you actually need just 3 ingredients. First, you need to boil around 500 ml of full fat milk. Once it comes to boil, reduce the flame and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add around half a cup of sugar and heat it till the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, turn off the flame and keep it aside. Into another pan, add some sugar to caramelize. No need to add any water, just melt the sugar and change its color to a darker shade. Be careful not to burn it. Traditionally, palm jaggery or palm sugar is used in this recipe. So if you get that, you can skip the entire sugar from this recipe. Into the hot milk, pour in the caramelized sugar. Once the milk changes its color, you can stop adding the caramel. Now take some thick yogurt, or also called as hung curd, and whisk it to make it smooth. Now when the milk becomes lukewarm, add this yogurt and mix it. You can pour this into some earthen pots. You have to cover it tightly. For that, you can use some aluminum foil or any other lids. If you're making this on a winter time, you have to keep this on a warm place and set it for around 8 to 10 hours. I kept this overnight. Now let's open and see our Misti Doi. A very delicious caramel flavored yogurt Misti Doi is ready. This is very smooth and creamy. So definitely try out this traditional Bengali dessert. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.